Hi everyone, I'm Fabricia. I am part of the Liquid Studios and we are here in Sao Paulo and we would like to show you what's inside. Come and join me.
Hello.
Hi Frosan. Hi Daniel.
Hey guys. Hi. Welcome to our Liquid Studio in Sao Paulo. We're going to have a quick tour with you, if you can join me. So this is the space where we have the meet and greet with our clients, and sometimes we have also some pitches from startups or the end of design thinking sessions. It's a very open space, so flexible as well, so we can have people from all over the places coming here, not just enjoying the environment, but really starting the experience we usually bring to our clients. So if you can join me over here. This part of the space on the Liquid Studio was inspired by the garages, right? So it's almost like an innovation garage, as we call. And this is divided into two parts. A place where we have co-innovation, or it's a co-working space where we have clients coming over, startups coming over, we have design thinking sessions, and it's really flexible, as I just mentioned. And this is where everything started. So we call a garage as well, because this table was the first step to actually create, to prototype, to develop our first MVPs, our prototyping at first. So now I want you to follow our robot over here, who will guide us to the next part of the tour.
So this part here where we'll be starting and entering right now is where actually we have our work environment. So we sit and work over there. Part of the team is working right now. So please enter and see. We do have an area here where we do our planning for our design thinking sessions and actually our coding. And we also have our area with TP here, a telepresence, where we join other parts of the world in our co-working environment with Recife, for instance, and other Liquid Studios around the world. And over there, we have a lab that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So if you move around here, we have a few decorations, of course, but we're starting on our lab. And this is our maker's lab, as we call it. Sorry for the mess. It has a purpose. We have some 3D printers. Even here is working with a drone that we are building, and all types of prototyping with IoT and making in order to actually bring our cases to our clients and within Accenture to actually get those IoT and maker things into things like SAP to display for our clients. Okay, so now that you met our space, let's actually talk a little bit about what we do here at the Liquid Studio Sao Paulo. We're going to switch to the live feed on that camera over there on our telepresence. So come and join us.